Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
If you are, God bless you, God will honor you all. Thank you so much. If you are in any position in this country today, and you don't ginger yourself, you know there is one verse in the Bible. I don't know the verse and I don't know the head. You know, the salt in you must not finish. If you are doing anything and you don't have salt in you, forget, you don't have swag, they won't recognize you. Kabiyesi Oba Abdulrasheed has proved that ginger in Kabiyesi thing. For the level that I'm even thinking that I will go back home to be our Kabiyesi later. Kabiyesi, we can help you kill your king that is here. Kabiyesi, we double your swag. Yes, we love you so much. And God will continue to bless you. Thank you so much. My brother, Dr. Smile. Oh.
Your brother or your colleague? Small
Doctor. Small doctor. Don't tell you, I know his name. Small doctor. God will bless you more. Swale, April 20. Thank you so much. All my others in Nigeria Police Force, I say Swale. Thank you so much, sir. God will bless you. And special one goes to my sister, my mommy, my madam. Now you are the call, you don't know. You wonderful police officer. Forget. That is what I was saying earlier. I said in anything you do, you must put that swag. If you don't put that swag, they won't recognize you. And
the way you are trying to push swag.
Forget this one.
And you still look like somebody who wants to take bribe.
You want to spoil my shoe, Abi? Should I spoil everything? Should I spoil everything? Thank you, my sister. Thank you so much. God will bless you. I appreciate every one of you. There's nothing in this life you are doing that is so special. Most especially if you are in the industry. I'm a woman like you. There is nothing so special for you to appreciate any celebrity. If that celebrity gets hurt, you must know, say that God put out for there.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here, everything, Gboah TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.